This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Carrie Ross. Pride in ownership shines throughout this beautifully maintained home. Featuring 4 beds, 2.5 baths, including a huge finished room over spacious 2-car garage. Eat-in kitchen with granite countertops, gas stove, hardwood floors, pantry, laundry room and formal dining room. Primary suite west/large walk-in shower, 2 walk-in closets, 1 with separate sink and vanity. Plenty of closet and attic storage space. Enjoy relaxing on the covered front porch or beautifully landscaped backyard. Newer architectural roof 2020, HVAC 2022, new carpet and paint. In-ground sprinkler system. For more information, review the details below.